I am Dr. GPV Subbaya, spine surgeon, Global Hospitals, Hyderabad. So today we came to Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, India to create awareness regarding various back problems in the public. And the main idea of doing this program, create an awareness in the public as to how to prevent the back problems, and then create an awareness among the public to recognize the danger signals or red flags. When should they see a doctor, when should they consult a doctor, so that we can identify the problem at an early stage and probably avoid eventual surgery. And the other thing is to dispel the fears about spine surgery in the public. What are the myths and misconceptions regarding spine surgery in the public, and what are the latest advances in spine surgery, like minimally invasive spine surgery, keyhole spine surgery, pinhole spine surgery, and the efficacy and safety of these procedures. To explain all these things to the public, we came to Vizag, conducted a public awareness program, and with the help of media, both print media and electronic media, so we are propagating the message among the public. The other thing which we are doing is, the one which is very close to my heart, is the school screening program. This school screening program is all about identifying scoliosis at an early stage. So one should know what exactly is scoliosis. Say if you look at the spine from the back, the spine looks absolutely straight. If it bends towards one side, then that is known as scoliosis. And this scoliosis is seen at all ages, but it's particularly seen in children between 10 and 15 years, that too in female children, means girls. So, but because scoliosis is majorly asymptomatic, that means it doesn't. Parents, most of the teachers, they tend to ignore the problem, and by the time these children they become probably 20, marriage age, so they tend to consult the doctor for these spinal deformities. By then the deformity must have progressed, and we are doing lot of surgeries to correct these deformities. And all these surgeries we are doing for spinal deformity are complex surgeries, and it involves some amount of cost. So to prevent all these things, and the idea of the school screening program is to identify this scoliosis at an early age, so that we can prevent the progression of this problem and prevent eventual surgeries. Then who has to identify this scoliosis at an early age so that we can prevent the progression? So the teachers are responsible for identifying this program, and we have a program called school screening program in the Western world, that is in Europe and in North America. So in this program, every school children is screened once in 1 year by the teachers, not by the medical professional, not by the trained nurses or doctors. It is done by the teachers once in 1 year, and if they have any suspicion of scoliosis, they send the child to the local doctor, and then they identify the problem, and then they take measures, like they apply braces, they do some specific exercises to prevent progression of scoliosis and eventual surgery. So, but in India we don't have such a structured school screening program. So that is the reason we took up the initiative ourselves at Global Hospitals, Hyderabad. We took up the initiative to go to the schools, educate the teachers about this scoliosis. We have so far done, probably we have educated close to 1,000 teachers in Hyderabad and the surrounding areas. We have dispersed the educational material about the scoliosis, how to identify that, and in case if they have any suspicion, they have to send the child to a nearby doctor. So this is the idea of school screening program. Today in Vizag also we discussed about this school screening program to spread the awareness regarding this problem in the public.